Hello and welcome. Here we are going to create a simple calendar in Python with Tkinter module. So first of all, we will import the libraries. Here we are importing the calendar variable as we are creating a calendar. So we need this library and the Tkinter for frames and the window. So next we create a window with this line of code, that is root is equal to tk and set the title for the window. Next we will make a loop of this root, so the window remain open. Let's save and run if it's working. Okay, we have a window and with title. So what next we will do? Okay, the next line of code will be like this. Here we are creating a frame inside root of padding 10 and we are assigning it to the input frame, and then we are placing this input frame into the window. What we will do next? Okay, now the month selection drop down, we are creating a label inside input frame with text month and grid of row 0 column 0. Then we create a month variable month underscore var of string type, and next we create a month underscore select variable of combo type, that is drop down value, and it is inside input frame with the text variable is equal to month underscore var. So the value which we will get from this, we will show it in the month underscore select. Then the values of this month underscore select will be of list ranges from 1 to 13, that is 1 less is the maximum value, that is 12 months. Okay, the next line of code is the month underscore select dot grid of row 0 and column 1. First we had row 0 column 0, now it is row 0 column 1, and then month underscore select dot current, that is 00 means the default will be the January, 0 means 1 and it is of January value by default. Next we will do the year selection entry. Again we are creating a label inside input frame and of text year with grid 0 column 2. So first we have the column 0, then column 1, and now we are working in column 2. Then we create a variable of year var of string type, then year underscore entry of variable of input type inside input frame, and text variable will be year underscore variable, which will be that string. Okay, next is we are putting this year underscore entry inside grid of row 0 and column 3. You see the column is changing or increasing one by one. Okay, the next is year underscore entry dot insert is equal to 0.2024 means the value by default will be 2024. Let's see if we run what is the output. Okay, we have the month and then 12 months and year and 2024 by default. If we can see what is doing here, we are doing here, you see, to show you is this the month. Okay, here is the month we are seeing, and then there is the year, so it is working till here. Okay, what next we will do? Next we will show the button. Okay, what are we doing here? We are creating a show button of button type inside input frame, and text will be show button, and command will work when we will click on that button, and this button will be on row 0 column 4 with pad x 10. Last column was 3 and now it is 4. So let's see, we have a button. So first we will hide this as we let's comment it. First comment it out so we can see if this button is showing or not. Okay, there you go. Month, year and show calendar. It's not working right now as we have not written any command or any function for this. So let's uncomment and we will write a function for this. We will see what we are doing. Okay, we will define a function. Over here, function is show calendar with month is equal to the month we will get from here, month underscore where we will get this in integer form, and it will assign this to month, and then same is the year with this year we will get from this year underscore variable. This variable we will use it and assign it to the year of integer type. So first of all, what we are doing, we are clearing any window if it is already open. That is, if we display a calendar of 1 month and it is displaying, then we will clear this and we will do the next whatever we want to do. So next what we will do over here. Okay, we are creating a calendar variable cal of calendar type with month calendar, year and month. So what next we will do? Okay, next we are displaying the days, Monday, Tuesday up to Sunday, and for I a variable in day enumerate days of calendar type, and we are creating a label with calendar frame. Okay, and text will is equal to the day, the name of the day, and border width 1 solid, pad x of 20, row 0 and column is equal to I. That is the that I value starting from 1 0. Let's see if we have any error or something. Okay, we have some error. We'll check what it is. Okay, we have defined that calendar frame. So first define this calendar frame. Inside we will define it thing. Let's define it before here after the button. This is the frame, calendar frame, inside root, padding of 10, calendar pack. Let's run this now. See what we have now. Okay, we have the number of name of the days showing now, and this will not work anymore as we haven't defined anything under that. So come back to the function where we have defined the number of days. What next we will do, we will display the calendar days. How we will do, let's see. There it goes. For week underscore num is a variable, week inside the calculator and enumerate, and for day underscore num, day in the calendar week, and if the day is not equal to 0, that is more than, whenever it goes cross the 7, it will start from the 1 again. We create a key label inside calendar frame with text is equal to day, order width is equal to 1, solid of width 8, grid. Now what is we are doing? Week num plus 1. What is week num? Week num is the number of week inside the calendar, and we are incrementing one by one. And column is equal to day is equal to num. That is the number of the day in the calendar. So this is the code, and let's see if it's running or not. By default we are doing the January, and let's see. Okay, it's showing the exactly. Let's change the month, year same. Okay, again working, and we can go to the third. Again it's working correctly. We can go up to December 12th month, and you see it's working very fine. That's so this is the code, simple code to show the calendar, and we can use this code in our application